Corrinne has an amazing story that she's going to share with us on the day. So I was considering that if you can give us a little bit of insights of what is to come in terms of yourself.
Okay, so I spent a couple of years living and working in a jungle refugee camp on the edge of a war zone. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what happened when I was there, and more importantly, what I learned about leadership. So my space is fearless leadership, which is accessing untapped potential through having the conversations that matter. You know, the conversations that build trust and move us all forward. So without giving too much away, Patricia, that's what I'm going to be talking about.
Amazing. Thank you so much. And on that, should we be thinking when we want to foster trust within the leadership or the organizations?
Oh, it's such a big question. So let me just think. I think one of the things that we tend to do, and I think particularly this can be a challenge for women, even more so perhaps than men, without making this a gendered conversation, is we forget to trust ourselves. And so the first trusting relationship I need to have is with me. And I'm sure you've been in a situation where you've had a conversation with someone and they haven't sounded confident or certain. And you go, oh, can I trust you if I don't think you can trust me? So the first thing is trust yourself. The second thing is, so self-orientated again, while you're thinking about whether you can trust other people, they're thinking about the extent to which they can trust you. So sometimes if there's trust challenges in a relationship, it can be really helpful to think about, let me just sit back here. If I'm thinking about myself from the other perspective, what are some of the things that I'm doing that's helping trust and might be getting in the way of trust? And the third thing is when we do think about trust with other people, trust is not binary. It's not I trust you or I don't trust you. It's what's the context? What's my expectation in that of trust? And so firstly, do I trust myself? How trustworthy am I from your perspective? And don't make trust binary. Think about it as much more nuanced than that. And there's lots more we can talk about when we're together.
I'm so looking forward to having this conversation with you there on the day. And I hope everybody can join us there as well. Thanks a lot, Corrinne, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you.